Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, December 7th. At 6 AM we have high impacting news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. Then at 8:30 PM we have high impacting news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. So if you are trading any of these currencies, please plan your trades based on this news outcome schedule. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action after testing the support level of 1614, we have noticed a price action to do a consolidation, then to trend on the bullish side retracement. Again on the bullish side also we have noticed a price action to test the resistance level of 1810, then to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. But the point to notice here is still it has not broken the previous low, which is around 1730. So only when the price action breaks this previous low, it will be the bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. Currently it is only on a retracement, it is not a trend reversal for now. Let us draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action. So here I have marked the resistance level, which is going to be around 1810, and the support level is going to be around 1730. I have also drawn the midline, which is around 1760, where we have noticed the price action to consolidate previously, then to break this resistance line and to trend on the bullish side. Currently the price action is in a bearish side retracement. So the first level of support is going to be the support level of 1760. It has to break this support level in order to fall further on the bearish side retracement. Again I have drawn a trend line or a support line connecting the highs and also the lows of the previous price action. Now this line will be acting as a support line when the price action falls on a bearish side retracement. But when we look at both this support line and the resistance line, you can see that it is narrowing down as it trends on the bullish side, which means that soon we can expect a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side. It is kind of a consolidation which is happening in 4 hours time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. So this level of 1760 is going to be the next level of support, and only when the price action breaks this support level we can expect it to test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1730. And once this support level of 1730 is broken, it will be the bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame, and next level of support is going to be around 1704, 1686, 1670 and 1657. And on the bullish side, if the price action bounces back from the support level of 1760, next level of resistance is going to be around 1800 to 1810. And only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in 4 hours time frame. And again, as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, previously it was trending on the bullish side. After taking resistance from the 4 hours time frame trend line or the resistance line and the resistance level of 1810, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side. And currently in hourly time frame, this level of 1766 is acting as a very strong support zone. So here you can notice that I have drawn a trend line or a resistance line, and as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue or the consolidation to continue in hourly time frame. So if you want to enter into the bullish side retracement, Wait for the price action to break this resistance line, based on which you can take a bullish side trade, or wait for the price action to break this support level of 1760, and next level of support is going to be the trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame. And only when the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in hourly time frame also. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1766 to resistance level of 1774, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1766, next level of support is going to be around 1760, 1754, 1738 and 1729. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1774, next level of resistance is going to be around 1783, 1793, 1800 and 1810. For now, this area between 1766 to 1760 is acting as a very strong support zone for the current price action in hourly time frame. We have noticed a price action to test this support level several times, but it couldn't manage to break this support level, which means that if the price action fails to break this support zone, we can expect a bounce back on the bullish side retracement. The confirmation will come only when the price action breaks this trend line from the hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. Again in 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to trend on the bullish side. After breaking the support line from the hourly time frame, we have noticed a price action to consolidate within this support zone between 1766 1760 and the resistance line from the hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to give a direction breakout from this consolidation in order to take a direction trade on the bullish side or on the bearish side in 30 minutes time frame also. The values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for the current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1773 to support level of 1766, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1778, 1782, 1785, 1791, 1798 and 1706. But this area between 1810 to 1800 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone from the higher time frame, and only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect a bullish side trend reversal to start in 30 minutes time frame also. So that's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.